It's now the 24th of August 2023, and here is a little rundown of what I've managed to achieve today. I have written a small piece of code in Python which models the algorithm which we developed over the last couple of videos. So we can run this and give it a little go. So it asks for the coordinates, so I can put in, for example, 1, 1, 8, 5, and it works out the points as per the Bresenham algorithm. Now there's one addition to this which I will explain whenever I go through the full video, and that is that we can also run it the other way round about. So for example, instead of going from point 1, 1 to 8, 5, we can go from the point 8, 5, 5 to 1, 1. Okay, so we can go from one point to the other point, or this point, and we can draw it backwards. Now there's one other program which I have generated today. So if I open this one up, now this is the full Bresenham algorithm, and I've added a section on which allows us to see the actual pixels getting drawn. So let's run this. Again, these will be available to you, and I'll explain them in full whenever I do the full video tomorrow. So for example, I could put in 1, 1, 8, 5, and it'll draw the values up for us. So you can see here it's gone from the point 1, 1 to 8, 5, and it's picked out the pixels. So the pixels are in black, so the actual dots are in black, and you can see the pixels are actually greyed out. And it's got a little table here of the X and Y positions and the decision values. Okay, so here's the decision values here. And you can close that down and then just put in another one. So let's say, for example, we could put them in any order. So we could go to minus 5, 7 to 4, minus 5, and you'll see it's drawn it down this way here. Okay, so this is a full Bresenham's algorithm, and it picks out all the correct pixels, and it's a nice little tool for learning. So that's what I've been up to today. I've also been finishing off my other course, which is the floating point adder and subtractor. It's not quite completely up, so it's not available yet. It won't be available until sometime tomorrow. But that's what I did today, and tomorrow I'll crack on and get the final video for the Bresenham's algorithm, showing all of how it works and under all circumstances, and I'll also have the code here available for you. So that's all until tomorrow. Goodbye.